Hey everyone, it's Dr. Dave. Hopefully you're doing well, you're enjoying life, taking good care of yourself. You know, one of the questions I get as a chiropractor is, how does it work? How do you help with all those different problems? Most people know we have help with back pain, neck pain, but how about something like headaches? How does that work? It's not a joint, it's not a muscle, so how do you help with the headache? Well, there's lots of different causes for headaches, but one of them can possibly be because when the neck isn't sitting and moving right, it's causing frustration to all the parts of the neck, which includes the joints, the muscles, but also the nerves. And even though chiropractic is known for back pain, for joints, for muscles, for that cracking sound, chiropractic actually is trying to have an impact, and actually has a significant impact on the nervous system. Because housed inside that spine, part of your back that we have such great results with, is your spinal cord and 32 pairs of nerves that are leaving to do different things in your body. In fact, those nerves control and regulate every function in your body, either directly or indirectly, right down to every single organ, tissue, and cell. And when the neck isn't sitting and moving right, some of those nerves can be impacted. And when a challenge occurs to the neck, a symptom or side effect of that can be headaches. So quite often in the clinic, and sometimes because I've been doing this for 20 years and I know some of my colleagues have been doing it for longer, we kind of take for granted that this is what we're actually doing when we work with patients. Now, not in a bad way, but it's just so second nature to us to turn to your nervous system to help with problems instead of different approaches that sometimes it seems that we think everybody knows this already and we don't share it as significantly as we should. But it's important to know that if a part of your body isn't sitting and moving right, but it houses your lifeline, that communication system, your nervous system, that just like a muscle can be affected if something isn't working right, so can your nervous system. And that nervous system interference can cause different kinds of problems, including headaches. Now, the neck also has a part of it that it protects of your nervous system called the brain stem. And that brain stem, depending on how well the neck is sitting and moving, can also have interference. And then this causes challenges with a lot of structures within the head, with your balance, with your vision, there's 12 different nerves just in your head taking care of a whole bunch of stuff, and they can also be impacted when your neck isn't sitting or moving right. So these days with poor posture, accidents, slip and falls, car accidents, different sporting activities, the way we sleep, it's the stress or the tension that we carry. There's a lot of reasons why there might be a part of the neck that's not sitting and moving right. And it doesn't always have to be physical trauma, but there can be chemical and emotional, either macro trauma, big events in our life that can create these side effects, or even micro trauma, slowly adding up over a period of time. And again, people end up with headaches or other health problems. So chiropractic typically looks at the function and the health of this system to see that if there is a problem there, but we improve it, we can very likely have an impact on the health problems that could result from that part of the body that isn't sitting or moving right. All right? So that's your Dr. Dave little anatomy lesson for today. I know there's probably a whole bunch of questions that can come when someone tries to understand that this is a little bit different than how they might usually take care of a health problem. So, drop by the clinic, come by for a courtesy consultation, give us a call even, send us an email. We're happy to answer your questions to make sure you understand how you can keep this nervous system, this lifeline of yours, on your side, helping you create those great experiences in your life every day. All right? So we'd love to hear from you, and come on in. We'll talk some more about this fancy poster. All right? Take care. Talk to you soon.